Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. In this session, I'll be guiding you through the process of reconciling bank transactions when you have a bill or invoice already keyed into Xero. So we'll start on the dashboard screen, and to open my bank account, I will click on the Reconcile Items link. This will show you how many unreconciled items you have on your bank account. Therefore, it might be fewer or more than my 29. So that will open up our bank account. And if this is the first time of going into a bank account, what it will show you is on the left, it will show you your transactions that are from your bank statement. And on the right, it will be Xero's suggested options. So it might be that it suggests you could key this transaction to this location because you've done that in the past, maybe. Or it will suggest a invoice or bill that you have in the system to be keyed against that transaction. And that's the one that we're looking for. So those ones are green, but we can't just take Xero's word for it, because what Xero is doing is Xero is saying, I have an invoice or bill for the same value, and that is it. It does not check the invoice number or the contact name or the date. So that is what we need to do. So this Ridgeway item, what we can see is we have had a received value of 6,000. So that is our invoice. And we have an invoice against Xero that is for the same value. So we'll just check, is the date similar to the date of the transaction? Typically, you'll find your invoice date is going to be a little bit before the transaction date, just because how long it takes for the item to clear your bank account. So the 30th of December, 2nd of January, yep, that's fine. And then the contact name may vary. You might have keyed the invoice as Ridgeway rather than Ridgeway University. Again, that's absolutely fine. You don't need to go and change the invoice. It is just for your reference. And then some transactions will not come through with the invoice number, but if they do check that and make sure that they match, because again, you might have a customer that pays you the same amount every month, and you want to make sure that you're on top of your invoices and knowing which invoice they've paid you for, just to be on the safe side. So once we've checked all of that, we're good to go. So we're happy to click OK on that one. And then you guessed it, bills are exactly the same. So again, though, with this one, the references might not match. So we've got rent rather than the reference that they have quoted on your bill here. That is OK. You can just click OK on that one. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.